Coltene is excited to bring you HyFlex EDM, the newest innovation in rotary endodontics. HyFlex EDM is the next-generation OneFile NiTi system, indicated for dentin removal and root canal shaping. HyFlex EDM gives you unmatched strength, flexibility, and cutting efficiency for the preparation of even the most complex canals. Although nickel titanium rotary endodontic files have replaced stainless steel hand files to become the industry standard, studies have shown that traditional NiTi files fracture more in curved canals. Needless to say, this makes practitioners hesitant to use them in these cases. HyFlex EDM files overcome this problem. HyFlex EDM files are the first NiTi instrument produced through electrical discharge machining, a breakthrough manufacturing technology that uses spark erosion to harden the surface of the file. With EDM manufacturing, the desired shape is obtained by using electrical discharges to remove materials from the workpiece through melting and evaporation. The end result is a NiTi file with a uniquely hardened surface that is both extremely flexible and highly resistant to fracture, just what is needed when working with curved canals. In fact, HyFlex EDM files give you such high fracture resistance that they are up to 700% more resistant to cyclic fatigue than traditional NiTi files. And for this type of file, cyclic fatigue resistance equals fracture resistance. In addition to the comparisons illustrated in this chart, a study published in the October 2015 issue of the Journal of Endodontics indicated that HyFlex EDM files showed significantly higher cyclic fatigue resistance than the Reciproc and Wave 1 files. One of the secrets behind the HyFlex EDM files' high resistance to breakage is their variable cross-section design, which is made possible by the innovative EDM manufacturing process. At the section of the file closest to the handle, the cross-section is almost triangular. In the middle, you can see that the cross-section is trapezoidal in shape. Then, at the tip, the file's cross-section is almost rectangular. Whether you're an experienced endodontic specialist or a general practitioner who performs endodontic procedures, you'll appreciate the HyFlex EDM file's unprecedented combination of flexibility, strength, and cutting efficiency. These features combine to ease mechanical preparation of the root canal to such a degree that even newcomers to endodontics can quickly and reliably achieve the results they want. These features also make it possible to reduce the number of files required for canal cleaning. For example, in simple cases such as straight or larger canals, the root canal can be cleaned and cleared with just 2 or 3 files. For canals with medium curvature, a combination of HyFlex EDM and HyFlex CM files is recommended. Thanks to their controlled memory effect, HyFlex EDM files give you superior canal tracking. As you work, the file will stay centered in the root canal even in curved canals. The built-in shape memory prevents stress during canal preparation by changing the file's spiral shape, significantly reducing the risk of ledging, transportation, and perforation. As you use the HyFlex EDM files, you'll see that their spirals may appear to lengthen, unwind in response to force. But unlike other commonly available NiTi instruments, the shape of these files can usually be restored. Provided the spirals do not wind in the opposite direction during use, they will regain their original shape during normal autoclaving or when a glass bead sterilizer is used for 10 seconds. This regenerative ability saves you money, enabling you to reuse files many times. As you might expect, the number of times that a file can be reused depends on processing and treatment. Always verify the condition of your files before and after use. The HyFlex EDM NiTi files are provided as a modular system of sterile instruments that may be used in combination with the HyFlex CM files. The EDM system includes an Orifice Opener, GlidePath file, HyFlex OneFile, 4004 finishing file, 5003 finishing file, and 6002 finishing file. In summary, HyFlex EDM files are the first NiTi instruments made from the new breakthrough EDM technology. HyFlex EDM files gives you unmatched strength, flexibility, and cutting efficiency for the preparation of even the most complex canals. Exactly the type of innovation you've come to expect